my name is Ahan. Nice to see you again. First, we need cucumber. What? This one? Tomato and capsicum. I'm sure I'm not gonna add that because I don't like it.
What are you gonna make today?
Sandwich.
Okay.
And we need bread. And we need butter. And first, let's take off this. And we need the butter. Here. I need my father's help, so my father will chop it. My father helped me because we should not use sharp objects. Because I'm not a VSF, you should ask our parents' help when we want to chop it. Okay, now first cucumber. So we need 4 of them. This one is messed up. Here we'll do this. And this, what? Why this one is thicker? There you go. Oh, we need some more. Okay, here we don't need it. Not the pear butter. Mommy, come!
Why are you calling your mom?
Because
के बनाउँदैछ?
sandwich.
Oh my god, thank you.
You're welcome.
खानु भयो? Okay. Yummy. Wow.
So you deserve a hug now.
God.
You deserve a hug, boy.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you, man. साँच्चै टेस्टी बनाएको छ त आमाले. Wow.
I make one for myself, no needed. I already made one for myself later. Bye guys. See you to next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. See you.
Last. Dun, dun, dun.